What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm headed down to Florida to buy my dream set of wheels for the Corvette. Now the Corvette don't necessarily need these wheels, but I've always wanted to set on the Corvette. So I'm on the road right now, guys, and I got about 2.5 hours left. I've only been at it for about an hour. I'm not too far from this guy. Like, he's not that deep into Florida, so should be there very soon and get these wheels, head back home, clean them up because he said they were a little dirty, mount them, see how they look. I'm super excited. I've always wanted these wheels, so stay tuned, guys, and get you some little shots going down here, see what these things look like. All right, guys, so we're back, and you see the wheels right there. I'm gonna be honest with you, not a fan of them. Not a fan. Put them on. One, I knew the front tire was gonna be too big, but because it's a 28, on the Vette you gotta run a 26. So front tire's too big. It was rubbing right there, which I knew that. But I'm gonna be honest with you, like, I have another set over here that aren't bead locks. This may sound crazy, but I think they look better than the bead locks. And I don't know, it's just because those have a fatter tire or what, but those look really good on the car. I'm not a big fan of these for some reason. I'm just not. So let me flip this camera around and I'll show you guys what they look like. All right, guys, so center caps, tires are brand new on all of them. Got the skinnies. I just gave them a little bath this morning, but rear wheels are like brand new. And if you guys know, these wheels are like $1,700 a piece new. They're not cheap. The wheels look freaking sweet when they're not on the car, but when they're on the car, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what it is. They just don't look good. I don't know why. Like, they look cool, but I don't know. I just can't explain it. I got a picture of it I'll drop in here that I took of just the rear wheels on it. You guys let me know what you think. So honestly, I'm thinking about just getting rid of these and just getting some tires for my other ones. I mean, I kind of would like to keep these skinnies and then put a 26 on them, but I don't know. I got a lot of money invested in these. But really, I mean, I got a decent deal on them, but still a lot of money at the same time. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do quite yet. So I may think about it for a little bit, but the wheels look freaking awesome. I love the way wheels look. But I'm just not a fan of how they looked on the car for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I got a buddy that's actually wanting the rear wheels, and I may decide on whether we want to keep the fronts or not. But it sucks because I wanted these things to look freaking cool on here, and they probably would, but maybe it's just because the tire is a 315/35, where my other ones are 305/45, so it's really meaty, and it fills up the fender wells really well. I had the car jacked up, so it looks like a four-wheel drive right now. So, yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. But, I don't know, guys. I'm just not a big fan. Hang on, I'll show you guys the other wheels. So, these are my other wheels. These are, excuse the mess, but like I said, these are 17s. These are 305/45s, and they got a real meaty tire on it. And that, maybe what makes it look better is because these fill up the wheel well really well. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what it is, but these look awesome on the car. I have center caps for these as well. So, and it's crazy to think that I got a freaking disaster in here right now. I've had stuff out cleaning. I've got boxes and stuff. I've been changing oil on my truck and everything, so I got a disaster. But anyways, it's crazy to think that I even own these wheels and I own a supercharged Corvette. Because I'm not going to lie, 4 or 5 years ago, I would not think I'd have, you know, $5,000–6,000 on wheels sitting around in a supercharged Vette. It's crazy, but it doesn't really seem like a lot because, you know, there's people out there that can do it way more. But in my situation, it's crazy to think I've come this far and I have a set of wheels like these. Like, these are my dream wheels. Always wanted a set of wheels, especially a bead lock too. Man, it's freaking nuts, dude. So, anyways, guys, let me know what you think. I'm not sure what to think about them. And I'm not a big fan of these wheels either. like, I want a set of, like, my other set of dream wheels, like a set of CCWs. I'd love to have a set of CCWs. So, hint, hint, if anybody's got a set of CCWs they want to trade, I'll trade you. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think I should do with these wheels. Do you like them? They look cool off the car, on the car. Not so cool. So anyways, guys, that'll do it for this video. Oh, and I wasn't just going after looks either. I was actually going to take it to the track and race it, but I like my other wheels better. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Peace.